Driver errors cause most emergencies. The instant you approach or find yourself in an emergency situation, you need to be prepared to take the right actions to avoid conflict. Explain how to get back on the road if four wheels are off the road. Off-road recovery. Your actions to recover from driving off the road depend on the number of wheels that are off the road and what's ahead of you. Turning your steering wheel to jerk your car back on the road could cause your car to roll over. This SUV has all four wheels off the road. The driver veered off the road. Do you know what the driver of the SUV should do to get back on the road? List the steps necessary to return to the road when two wheels are off the road. Firmly position your hands at the 2 and 3 o'clock positions on your steering wheel. Steer toward the target while keeping your car evenly positioned halfway on the road. Slow down by letting up on the gas and braking gently if needed. When speed has dropped to 10 miles or less, turn your steering wheel slightly to the left. When your right front tire touches the edge of the road, get back on the road by turning your steering wheel to the right 3 to 5 inches. Off-road and obstruction ahead. Position your car so it straddles the road drop-off. Do not reduce speed as you smoothly turn to the left. The instant your right front tire contacts the edge of the road, turn to the right and focus all of your attention on the target area. The yellow car is approaching the intersection at 35 miles per hour. Should the yellow car stop or swerve? Explain when to use an emergency swerve. The driver of the yellow car in this traffic has been driving too fast for conditions and too close to the car ahead. He must swerve sharply. When the object is farther away, swerve less sharply. The swerve is less sharp at a greater distance. Remember that at 40 miles an hour or faster, you can swerve safely to the right or in a shorter distance than you would need to brake to a stop. The faster a driver travels and the shorter distance to an obstacle, the less time the driver will have to respond. When two wheels are off the road, why do you think it's important to keep your hands at the 9 and 3 positions? Why is it important to steer towards your target area if your wheels drop off the road? Let's get back to the swerving thing. Yeah, it's okay to swerve, but you better check your blind spot. So there's going to be a lot of actions going on in a very quick time frame. You can't just swerve over because there could be a car there. You got to check.